In this video, I'll show you how to open a Fundednext account. So the first thing that we want to do is go to the top right and click on Log In. And that's going to bring us to this screen where we'll click on Register. And now we need to fill out all of this information, tick the top two boxes, and hit Register when we are done. Now we'll be emailed a verification code. So for that, you're going to go check your emails and then just put in the code and hit verify email. All right, now all we need to do is log into our new account, and immediately we have to set up two-step verification. So we're going to click on this two-step authentication toggle. It's going to send us another email authentication. So check your mail, type in the code. For this next one, make sure you have Google Authenticator or Microsoft Authenticator and click on Get Started. Now, of course, I can't record in an Authenticator app. The whole screen will just be black. But all you need to do in your Authenticator app, for instance, if you're using Google Authenticator, you're going to click on the plus icon at the bottom right of the screen. You can't miss it. And just click on Scan QR code on your phone and scan the QR code. Once you've scanned the QR code, it'll create a new authentication option with a set of 6 numbers. You just need to type in those 6 numbers at the bottom here. And that's all there is to it. Your account has now been created. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.